Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to change your cPanel Mailbox password. Updating your email password when compromised helps keep your account secure and protects your professional communications from unauthorized access. And one way to do this is through the email accounts menu. First thing you're going to do is to log into your telaHosting account, locate cPanel in your web hosting services, click login, and then log into cPanel. Once you're on the cPanel dashboard, scroll to the email section, click on email accounts. Here you'll see a list of all email addresses created under your domain. Locate the email address you want to update its password. Click on manage next to that email account and the email management page comes up. Scroll to the security section, enter a new password and make sure the password strength indicator shows a strong rating, or you can click generate to create a strong password automatically. Once you're satisfied with the new password, click update email settings. Your email password has now been successfully changed. The second way is through the user manager menu. Still on cPanel, navigate to the preferences section and click on user manager. Find the relevant email address and click on the change password option. Enter a new password in the security information field and click save to confirm the changes. Alternatively, you can change your password directly via webmail. To log into the webmail, on your client area dashboard, locate cPanel, click login and then log into email. Click on the email address displayed at the top right corner and click on the password and security option from the listed menu. Type in the new password that you want to use for your email and confirm it. After that, click on save to reset your old password with the new password. For better security, use a unique password that you don't choose anywhere else, and also avoid sharing your login details. And that's how you change your cPanel email account password. If you have any questions or confusions, drop them in the comments below or contact our support using the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy to follow hosting tutorials. See you in the next video.